In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can modify the side menu. The process is very simple. Just double click the side menu, and to change one of the main menu items, like this, just select one of the items, and in the title field, you can change it to whatever you want. For example, in this case, I'm going to name it tutorials, and for the icon name, you can use any tabular icon. And to modify the index menu, that is right below. For example, if you wanted to add another section, you can select any of these group layers and just press Ctrl D, and now you have another section. And from there, you can select any of the items and just change the title field. In this case, I'm going to name the section title to Advanced, and now I'm going to select one of the link items, and I'm going to change this one to Debugging. And for the link, you can select pretty much any page that you have, either be one of your main pages or one of the CMS pages. I'm going to change this one real quick here too. I'm going to change the link title to DevTools, and it's just as simple as that. Now, one problem that I was having is that when I modified the side menu, the change wasn't reflected on the other pages, but if I hit the publish button and update from inside the component, then it would update on the other pages.